Hey, we got our first victim. Is that aluminum one on top? It is. Double score. It actually don't even look half bad as far as grill goes. Well, a little wobbly, I guess. Let's get it up there and get it squared around. And I thought I seen that poking out. I was like, I didn't want to stop because they're over here having church, but glad I did now. That guy's a smoker. Probably fit that in that corner over there. Is there anything in this basket or anything? Cup holder of some sort. We might keep that. Hummingbird feeder. A glass one too. Yeah. Oh, right here in front of me. We'll come back for you. One, fold them up. Two, fold them up. Let's get our hummingbird feeders and there's a, oh, that's one of those corn cob things you put on against the tree. I'm gonna keep that and that and that. Anything else that I want? I don't know what that is. I don't want it. Just a box. Cover to that grill. There's some Christmas paper unopened. Get that for next year. Alright, cool. Trinkets. Where's the rest of it? There's a PlayStation remote or something in the water down there. Oh. See it? An off-brand looking one. I'll just leave it. Oh, look. But you'll grab a can? Yeah, because that is... I know I can get money for that. Alright. On we go. Oh, that's a, I think that is an aluminum rim. Almost certain it is. Yeah, I can tell by looking at it. There we go. Just to make sure. Alright, now a sticky stick. Alright, that was kind of cool, wasn't it? pretty day. People setting out stuff. I wonder if it works. We'll have to do some reorganizing pretty quick. Oh, we got some stuff in here. We got a lot of little stuffs in here. Hey, how you doing? Good. All right, just out gathering some scrap metal. Metal, man. Oh yeah, pretty day for it. It is. You don't mind if I grab it out of there, do you? Huh?
Do this anyway.
All right.
My son-in-law dumped a lot of stuff in there.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, look at these. Dang. Yeah. Yeah, you can find some good stuff from time to time. I appreciate it. You have a good day. Too much. Chuck. There's a cord. Oh, ripped shirt now. We got enough flex in this hose to get that. Yeah. There's a lot of good stuff in here. I think he was wanting some of it, wasn't he? Come along. Ain't nothing wrong with that, is there? Let's get us a hook. I got us a drop light. Oh yeah, that's all cord. Pry bar. I'll start putting it in the truck before once this run off or something. There's a big old log chain. Good job. Well, there's some fishing lures and stuff, trout jigs, but there's some lead. I'll take some lead. I don't reckon I'll keep any of that stuff. I'll grab that. Hacksaw blade. There's another cord. Or that's a drill. Don't need no rope, do we, guys? We can take that in there. I guess we'll take that. It's got that big old metal hook on it. Yeah, I'm gonna take that. Let's see another coming. Is that a battery down there? Oh, stinking way. That guy might really get mad now. Can't leave a battery though. wheel. Some brass. Tape measure. It's a brand new paintbrush. Alright. There's a wire brush. That'll come in handy. Those are screws and nails. Oh, look there. Grinding blades. There's a broom. That is a stick. Knee pads. There's another 100-foot tape. That's broke. What's it? Get our stuff and go on. Some good stuff down there, wasn't there? This tote ain't a very good one, so I'm not gonna keep it. Probably a decent tarp, but alright, I'm gonna get this cleaned up. We'll be on our way. Got something cool here. We'll take these. Oh, I got a cord wrapped up in there. Okay. Wish I didn't have to take everything, but that's okay. That is going to fall down. But I do not want that. It's got a record player on it. Tape player. Alright, let's get us let's try out our new bungee we found. Tis the season. hose filler got all the stuff out of it too. Very cool. Well, I'm trying to get it all together. Like close it. There we go. We got some weird stuff in here today. Yeah, there we go. Should I put anything around that, you reckon? Yeah, on we go. Oh, heck yeah, look at all them old tools. Look at all them old clamps. It's a real treasure hunt today. How you doing? This is all stuff that can go. Whirly birds. Have to do it. That guy was trying to want some of this. I can't take. I'll leave that. I could take them poles, but I think that would be kind of bad if I did that. I don't think he would care. He's a real nice guy. Heck yeah, that was kind of neat. On we go.